Good morning, kids. It's Miss Janet. This is lesson number 6. Please don't put that in my face. Thank you. Stop. It's my husband who's fooling around. We've gone nuts after all this time in the house. Okay, this is what we're going to do today. Cool, right? Looks really good. Not hard. You know how to do it. Okay, I'm going to show you. You have to use oil pastels, though, for this project, okay? And as John showed you in the beginning of the video, I have an onlooker here, Groot. He's decided to watch also. You know Groot from my favorite Guardians of the Galaxy, my favorite film. Love it. Love him. And Baby Groot. Okay, so now I'm going to show you how to do this with pastels. So you take colors. I'm going to roll up my sleeves a little because we know pastel gets all over us. And you just go onto the paper like this and make like a star. And then you take another color. That was purple. Maybe I want light blue in there. So then you take another color like that. Not too many colors. And then you take your finger and you smudge. And you hold the paper so it doesn't get wrinkled. Try to use heavy paper because it's the easiest thing to not wrinkle up and get messy. So now you have an interesting looking flower, right? So then you do a few more. Maybe an orange one. And then, you know, light and dark look good. Two warm colors together look good. And then you take your finger. If your finger's still dirty from the blue, wash it. And you know that you have to wash it with perfect hand sanitizer. We'll take that off. Okay, so now I'm going to hold the paper and I'm going to pull. And I'm going to turn the paper and I'm going to pull. And look at that. It always looks good. You can't make a mistake. It's always going to look good. I want you to put them all over the paper and leave a little room to the left side of the paper so that you could put a couple of stems. Okay? So, let's see, maybe a pink one. And then maybe red on top of that if I find red. I got a lot of, here, yes, I found red. Found red, okay? Make some smaller, some bigger, and start pulling. It can go off the paper. Doesn't all have to be centered into the middle of the paper. It actually looks best like that.
You missed a spot.
There is, no, that is not a miss.
No, there.
Here, I have a critic. I have a critic. Stop. Okay. I'm going to make another small orange one. And then I'm going to use whatever color this is. It's a light color, so it's going to blend. And then we're going to pull it out. Okay? I'm not going to go over the whole paper. I'm going to let you do that. And then there's a space down here for some greenery. So we're going to give it some stems. So stems will go up into each flower. And maybe some leaves. And same thing with the leaves and the stems. But make sure your finger's on full of red, or, you know, use a dark green, a light green like we use all the time. We mix colors. We like to mix colors. So it looks more natural. There you go. So even pull down on the stems, okay? So there's a little bit. I want you to do the rest. Another week home. We'll see what happens.
They have to send it to you, right?
Yes.
You
I
have to
mean, if
sign
you
it.
do it, I would love to see it because it's great for me to look at your work. And be neat. You all can do good work. And we're going to say goodbye now. And hopefully we'll see each other soon. And goodbye from Groot, who enjoyed the art lesson at this point. Okay, guys. See ya. Miss Janet's signing off. Bye.